This video will show you how to access SAT, ACT, and so many more preparatory materials through our PrepSTEP resource. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Singley Library webpage. You can do that by going to www.irvingisd.net/Singley Library. Once there, click on the PrepSTEP banner on that homepage. Click on the Sign In Register option from the menu bar. If you already have an account, fill in your username and password. If you don't or can't remember, click on the blue Register button. Note, if you have an account and have forgotten your password, try using your IISD email and regular single sign-on password, which is your student ID with the -P. Do you need to register? If so, complete the new user registration by filling in the information and then sign in. Please note, there is no way to recover your password if you forget it. As such, we do recommend that you use your Irving ISD email and your regular SSO password, that is your student ID with the -P, when setting up your account. Once you've registered and signed in, for the SAT and ACT prep, click on Prepare for College. In the drop-down menu, click on Get Ready for the SAT Test, or whichever option best meets your current needs. From here, you can choose to do a guided program to help prepare you for your chosen test. You can do a tutorial with tips on how to be more successful, or you can jump right in and do a practice test. Click on the resource you want to access. For demonstration purposes, we're going to select the SAT Reading Practice Test. You'll notice that you have several practice tests available to you. Select which practice test you wish to complete. You can practice using 3 different modalities. The automatic default option is practice, but you can also select simulation or learner by clicking between the options on the right. Please note that the simulation mode will simulate the real SAT test with a timer that ends your test when the allotted time for that section is up, as in a real situation taking the SAT. Read through the instructions and then click Start Test. Once you've gotten started, you'll see a timer at the top of your screen. This tells you how much time this test will be provided during normal SAT or ACT situations. Use the previous and next buttons to move between test questions. Once you've started the practice, you can use the Finish Later option located on the top menu if you need to come back and finish later. This will allow you to save and pause the test. All of the answers you've completed so far will be saved. If you're finished with the test, you can select Score My Test and see how you did. Once you've done that, the system will show you questions that you have not answered. You can go back at that time and answer those questions, or you can go ahead and score the test. You can click Cancel and select Finish Later to come back at another time if that meets your needs better. Click on the blue View Answers button to see which questions you missed. You'll also be able to view the different topics that are covered in the practice tests to see what areas you may have mastered and what areas you may still need practice in. Scroll down and take a look at recommendation sections for more ideas and practice based upon the skills you need to develop. Click on the Back to My Center from the menu bar to see the status of all of your practice exams and more. Click on the Home button from the menu bar to go back to the main menu and access more information and even more tools. Contact Ms. B in the library if you have any questions. You can email her at kbasoco@irvingisd.net or call the circulation desk phone 972-600-5310. Happy prepping!